Hello and welcome to the Edexcel New Style GCSEs. These are the ones that go from grades 9 through to 1. This is paper 1MA1/3F. It's the third paper in the foundation tier. It is a calculator paper and we're picking up in question 22. Henry is thinking of having a water meter. There are two ways he can pay for the water he uses. With a water meter, he has a charge of £28.20 per year plus 91.22 pence for every cubic metre of water used. 1 cubic metre is equal to 1,000 litres. Henry uses an average of 180 litres of water each day. Use this information to determine whether or not Henry should have a water meter. If he doesn't have a water meter, he has to pay £107 per year. So now the question is it cheaper for him to have a water meter or not a water meter? And they've been a little bit nasty on this paper because they've given you the price per cubic meter in pence and the standing charge in pounds, and we're comparing this to the water meter, which is in pounds. And they've also given us the charge in terms of per cubic meter, and a conversion of 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 litres, and they've given us that he uses 180 litres of water each day. It's perfectly reasonable for them to do that because these are the kind of measurements you might come across in real life. But we are going to have to do quite a lot of conversions. So the first thing, Henry uses an average of 180 litres of water each day. So we've got to convert that to the amount of water he uses each year if we're going to make a comparison. So that's 180 litres, and we have to show our working out. 180 litres multiplied by however many days there are in a year, which is 3. You can either use 365, but I'd prefer to be a bit more accurate and say 365.25 because that takes into account leap years. Okay, so that is 180 times 365.25 is equal to 65,745 litres. Okay, so that's how many litres. So 65,745 litres is equal to 65.745 cubic meters, because there's 1,000 litres in a cubic metre, so we divide by 1,000, so that's just moved the decimal point 3 places to the left. So there's 65.745, so we just divide that by 1,000, so we get the right figure on our calculator, 65.745, and for each cubic metre it's going to cost 91.22 pence. So if I multiply that by 91.22 pence, we get 5,997.2589 pence. So that's 5,997 pence. So if I copy this and I paste here, and then we're basically just showing our working out. So we're timesing by 91.22 pence per cubic meter, which is equal to 5,997. So that's 5,997, and there's a few penny, fractions of a penny that we don't worry about. So that's 5,997 pence, which is equal to, sorry, I need to show my working out, so I'll start with this. So I'll copy that and paste, oops, Try that again. Copy. You would just write it out again, but I was hoping that this would be quicker and save you time. So 5,997 pence divided by 100 pence in the pound is equal to 59 pounds and 97 pence. Remember, do not put the pence after the pound, otherwise that would be classed as wrong. You either use pence or you use pounds, you don't use both. Okay, so that's going to cost him £59.97 per year in terms of water usage, but he's also got a standing charge of £28.20 per year. So 59.97 plus £28.20 is equal to, I'll divide by 100, add the £28.20, and that's £88.17. Since £88.17 per year is less than £107 per year, he should use the water meter. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.